Y'all, I had to go out and get a new drill. I had dropped it. She was so reliable. This is the one I had last. She was so reliable. But I dropped like my handle and it just makes weird noises. See, it wants to start sometimes. It doesn't want to start other times. I've had it forever though, I will say. I've had it for the longest of time. And it was just time to get another one. And so this is what this is. This is the Beyond Pro. I got the one in white because pink wasn't really my thing. And to be honest, my mom had got the drill first. So that's just the color she had got. And they had white. So I was like, ooh, yeah, I'm finna get the white one because I'm not really into the whole pink girly girl thing anyway. So I do like just my easy whites. Ah, look at it. Look. Oh my gosh, and it's so clean. So this seems to be like my warranty card. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. I'll fill this out. I feel like, I don't know, the instructions. Look at the dwell. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. The white looks super clean. It's the same exact thing. Like literally nothing is different at all. So you get the drill, the battery pack itself. You get a stand hold. You get drill bits? Stop lying, Kiera Sky. Okay. So the two drill bits that come with it is going to be a large barrel fine and then a sanding man drill bit. Okay, Kiera. Okay, Kiera. I wasn't really not expecting at all no drill bits. That's dope though that they give you that. This is your side piece that holds your hand piece. You can literally pick whatever side you want to keep it on. You just take these out like that. You can insert this right like that on the side of it. This holds your hand piece on the table all nice. So you get that, both your hand pieces. This is obviously the charger cord, which the one I never had a cord that looked like this. Okay, whatever. The charging cord. Let me just put it like that. And then the hand piece. Yay, I'm so excited. Like this. And it's white. It feels literally the same. Look how new the cord looks. Oh my gosh, and it's like super springy. So yeah. And unlock. It comes in with like a traveling bit. That way, if you take it back and forth to and from, you have something in there so it doesn't like go crazy. And all I do, I keep this on my rolling cart. So this is always hanging upright for me. I feel like if I were to be working at home, that's when this will come in handy. Do I use it this way? Yeah, I do. And it just fits super flush. Then it goes on the table like that. And if you didn't want to use this piece, you could put your hand piece on that, pick it up this way, do your clients, put it back, scoot it over, and that's it. That's literally so fun. I'm so excited, dude, because look at the difference in just the core. Like the core literally does get very yellow over time. And honestly, I didn't even really notice it until I got a new one because I'm like, dang, mine don't look like this at all. So wear and tear. I've had this drill for over 4 years, 5 years, and I'm just now having to get another one. Honestly, like, and even though, excuse me, I am under the weather. I'm sorry, I sound crazy. Anyway, even though I never had any problems, I'll still use this battery pack because this is not the problem. It's just my handpiece that is a little wonky and kind of like iffy. So if I could find another drill that has the same type of, how do I say, same type of port, I'll for sure just be hooking it up to my old battery pack. That way I still have like a drill just in case this burns out, this dries out, dies on me. I still have something, so I'm not just throwing it away. As far as the warranty goes, I do hear a lot of the girls talk about, I don't like this already. I do hear a lot of the people talk about the warranty. I have to do it within 30 days of my purchase. This product comes with a 1-year limited manufacturer guarantee from the date of purchase. This covers manufacturing defects and defects arising from normal usage within the warranty period. In the event of a warranty claim, products must be registered online with proof of purchase as a receipt copy. If defective, file a claim online and return to, it gives you the address. The warranty does not cover maintenance past 1 year the date of purchase, any damages to the adapter, water damage, or any other damage clearly related to user neglect, including but not limited to physical mishandling, improper adapter use, improper voltage use. Warranty voided immediately if the product has been disassembled, tampered with, or adjusted or repaired by an unauthorized person. Warranty is voided if label is removed from the lamp. What lamp? What label? Oh, this? Okay. Gives you the website, model number, serial number, receipt number, date of purchase, place of purchase, purchaser name, purchaser address, email, and phone number. So damn near everything besides my social security number. Cool. And this tells you everything. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I'm probably not gonna do this. Just because it's like I did so well with my other one and it just burnt out 4 years in. Like, I shouldn't have no problems in the first year. But I'm going to charge this bad boy. I can't believe they give you 2 drill bits. Honestly, now that I know companies, this shit probably costs $2. But I paid an arm and a leg for this. But it's okay. I'm still happy y'all give something. This is really nice. Because I really do like the Kiera Sky drill bits. I really do. So that's the unboxing of the Kiera Sky drill. And honestly, I really do recommend this one. A lot of people love the Mani Pro. A lot of people love the Enel Couture. A lot of people really like the Young Nails. Having good equipment really does help you with your product placement, for real. That's what it all boils down to. And a lot of people say, like, yeah, you can get started with anything, but your products do determine how your work comes out. This is a business investment. This is something that you have to invest in as yourself. You're basically an artist. You're basically a creator. These are your products you're going to be creating with. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate y'all. Goodbye.